Hi everyone, this is Mary with LiveGood, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your payment method in your back office. Once you log in your back office in LiveGood, go to the My Earnings tab on the left hand side. Once you are in the My Earnings tab, select your payment option. Then select which country you live in. In this case, I have selected South Korea. Then press Submit. Once you press Submit, you will see the two payment methods. First payment option is by Global e-wallet. Available withdrawal methods are bank transfer, wire transfer, prepaid card, and Bitcoin. The second option is by cryptocurrency, BitPay. With BitPay, you have the option of being paid in Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, or Doge. Once you have decided which method you want to save, just press Save. In this case, Global e-wallet, press Save. Then you will get an invitation to join iPayout when you have a pending commission.